Hello everyone, I bring another video on this strategy that I have already mentioned for the formation market, but I'm going to show it for OTC. Let's quickly move on for the configuration. You're going to use 3 moving average line joined to the 3 times here. And configure for the first one with 20 on period. The color is up to you, right? And this triangle moving average, the style are the colors of your choice. The idea for different from each other. The second one, it's 50, alright? Another color. The third one, it's 100. It's the same for all different colors. The strategy is simple and is the same average. Only that there's a double average triangles, right? Which is wider for the way is the idea to test different average in different markets. So, although the financial market is 50% open, which is low. So, let's try to change this, right? And look at that, guys. That's pretty good, pretty cool. Look at the design of these lines. I'm going to look for an entry. Okay, we're gonna use for 8 after 8 on this one. 1 minute on the expiration time, and I take explain it to you. And I try to look for entries in favor of the trends. I told you that because there are more effective. Okay, an upward trading on this one. Apple OTC, Apple have the asset trading going up. It's showing me a strong rejection, weak and well. The moving what happened and the bad things are here at the close resistance, and it could be the entry at a point where I shouldn't. That the details also the candle it's very good, and this candle rejects a lot, man. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what's this OTC, guys? Strategy telling me that I should have that average. More or less in the middle, I should wait rejection and reject kind of the short candles. Come on. Right after the candles very high, I expected the pullback for entry, and it could also be that way to give him an entry, and that I don't lose the point because it could be that the moving average candle confirmed the upward entry. It's already too late. 8 seconds, 7, 6. That's just pretty good and safe sound. Very good, guys. That's our first win. $72 in that profit. 80 to the total. That's pretty good. Take me a little while to find an entry. No, that's gonna win it again. $72 for the second one. All right. Let's get ready for the exactly moment, for the correctly moment, guys. Yeah, if this duration is not working, we cannot make this one. All right. So it could be another criterion, guys. If I get a criterion like that, I wouldn't take it. Let's look for the second entry and I have it. Look at that right now. Okay. You can see that just passed through the white line. That's very clear. Okay. That's a good position for us. Even if they have the red line is pointing up, that's a revert very good and respect the downtrend. Okay. Hey. Do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Well, you see the break the average. Wait for the return to the zone and enter. Look, I'm entering the wrong time and the right average. But the difference is closing the candles only 6 seconds. Well, 6 seconds. 6 seconds later, I'm sorry, our position is positive right now. Okay. 10 seconds remaining left for this one. Second entry based on the another criterion. Average trade time to break it and wait for pullback. 2, 1, win. That's another one, man. 138 profits. Well, almost 150 on my account. All right. Second position was quickly and have second success criterion similar to the what it support and resistance. But in the case, if I wait for this to fall, no. Look at it rejected, might lose it. All right. These are the details that need to be looked at in this type of market. So last position, we're going to use $138. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to be patient and look for the last entry, guys. That's the win again. And look at this. It's the same position. We got an uptrend. The candles just passed through the white line. All right. And that's just get back to the zone. That's pretty good and an amazing one. Right? We just need to wait for that to see that is with respect or not. Okay. Just for that, it's exactly duration should be the downward, but it's not necessarily your creed that apply. I must take into account, consider the type candles, and there always look the trend of assets.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
So the one could be generation false breakout into the 100 right here. Okay. I had to look at it because it's not 200. I entered all that. I do this pullback to the enter. It does not complete. Here's the more last, and then position one again. We got this 253, 265 in the total in my account. Guys, that's pretty good. Okay. If the candle were bearish, it could have been another history about a while. You got to find results. I waited a long time, about 15 minutes, because the market is very unstable. Sometimes they generate candles like this that it would have waited for one candle, would have entered here, but look, I would have lost then. So that was in the right moment. Okay, I increased my count from 48 to 265 and well observed for the market time on this. TMR is not more time or C. But 15 seconds is clear for the movement because in 1 minute and confirms you no. All right. And this doesn't give me the necessary time, guys. You can use that. Okay. Look at this. That's pretty good. Maybe do it. Try this 15 seconds 1 minute projection. Let me know it went with the strategy. Well, that's all for this video, guys. I invite you to like this video, subscribe, share it, and see the live sessions every day and have a happy day. Until to the next one, guys. Act right now. Wish you good profits, good preparations, and see you. Bye-bye.